nakalimutan ko to. This is gold. So ito, nakita ko, nakasave kasi siya. Sabi niya, paano daw pag may sales experience? Kung may sales experience ka or sales rep ka, whatever you are selling, you are perfect for real estate virtual assistant. Kasi sanay ka na makipag-usap sa clients eh. But that does not mean na calls ka kagad. I just want to make sure na clear tayo dun ha. Not because sinabing Reva calls kagad. No. Actually, 90% of the time, real estate virtual assistance is non-void. Pero sanay ka na makipag-deal sa mga client. Sanay ka na mag-handle ng lead. So from lead generation, cold calling, CRM, listings, basically para kang isang one secret weapon ng mga real estate agents, ganyan. And real estate agents love people who have sales background because they think that it is easier to train them with the mindset that they already have built. So yun yung magiging parang pinakang biggest advantage mo. Gawa na pag ikaw ay Reva, ang pinakang priority ng iyong tasks every single day would be lead generation, client follow-up via call or text, pagmamanage ng CRM, pag-check ng contracts, pag-check ng mga marketing materials, ganyan. And ginagawa na talaga siya ng mga sales rep. Ang tanging twist na lang dito is hindi na ikaw mismo yung nagbebenta, so wala nang hard push, ganyan. So kung may sales experience kayo at you wanna learn how to start working from home as a real estate virtual assistant, mag-join na kayo sa class namin this coming Saturday. Pinagsama ko na yung October at saka November class eh. And guys, this is the last class of the year. I repeat, for real estate virtual assistants, this is the last class of the year. Because every December nagsasabbatical ako. So actually, the sabbatical starts this month. November 21, nakasabbatical na ako. So, ulitin ko lang, real estate virtual assistants, 999 pesos lang tong class na to. May kasama na siyang internship. And ongoing yung individual internship nito ha. So, one-on-one with me, 8 hours talaga. 8 hours tayo magkasama na. Anyway, if you guys wanna join, punta na lang kayo sa Blue. Mag-comment kayo ng Reva. Perfect to from beginners to those who already have experience sa BPO. Lalo na yung mga OFW na nag-iisip pa lang if this is something na pwede nilang i-try. Ako mismo nagtuturo nito, so mag-join na kayo. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home and follow for more work from home chismis. Bye! Ay, nakalimutan ko. Wait. So, di ba sabi ko, pwede kayo pumunta sa Blue, mag-comment kayo ng Reva, or pumunta kayo dito sa profile ko, i-click nyo lang itong link sa bio ko pagkatapos piliin yung Gig Hub. It will take you to the Gig Hub. Now, makikita nyo na dito lahat ng classes na meron kami. If you guys wanna join all of the classes, pwede kayo mag-top VIP. But if Reva lang talaga yung gusto ninyong salihan, i-click nyo na lang yung click here to join or RVA yata or Rev. November 8 ang class nito at 1 till 9 p.m. This coming Saturday na yon. So, dapat at the very least maka-join na kayo today para matapos nyo yung onboarding. Ayun lang, i-comment nyo na lang pag minalimutan ako. Bye!